Happy birthday,
Tito
Pistin. Happy 80th birthday. More years
to come.
And God bless.
We love you.
Mahal na mahal namin kayo, Tito.
Happy birthday po, Tatay Pistin. Wish you good health. We love you po. Happy birthday po ulit.
Tingin ka naman na Dan. Happy 80th birthday, Tatay. Tingin ka muna Dan. I love you so much po. Thank you for all your sacrifices and hard working. Also, the unconditional love sa mga apo po ninyo. And I wish your birthday, wonderful birthday, filled with love and joy. I love you so much. Mwah! Ang kiss naman na Tatay. Kiss ka muna na Tatay. Love you, Tatay. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to my loving brother. Nalaala ko pa nang ikaw ay mag-aasawa na. Ikaw ay naiyak at ako'y maiiwan mo na sa bahay. Eight years old ka na pala. Ba, kita mo yan. Long life. Sana ganun din ako. Dahil tatatlo na lang ngayon. Good health para sa iyo. Long life. I love you.
Hey Lolo, birthday to come as well. Birthday!